Takarazukushi Bernal Cutlery house brand combination 1000-4000 stone. This is our combination 1000 and 4000 stone. The 1000 side is a ceramic stone. It's a hard, fast-cutting, aggressive ceramic. This is great for working up a fresh edge on a fairly dull, wear-resistant stainless steel knife, as well as carbon steel as a wide variety of knife types as well. On this side, the resin bound 4000 stone is a really versatile finisher. This is going to be a really nice stone for lots of different types of knives, and will give you a nice bitey edge on stainless steels. It's not going to give you a washed out, over polished feel on a lot of commonly found Japanese stainless steels. It also makes a great platform for polishing super fine if you want to do that on a single bevel knife or a carbon steel knife that you want a really fine finish on. This is a great platform to work off of as well. One thing that we should mention with this stone is that you can't soak it for longer than 20-30 minutes. The layers can come apart if they're soaked in perpetuity, so don't do that.